When the time arrives to start solids, we'll be so excited being a new parent, and we will start experimenting with new ingredients, and we will also be worried if this is digestible or not, if it is healthy or not. And one such food we all think about before starting would be curd. So this is one question we keep getting on our YouTube channel on when to start, how much is good, is it safe to give curd made out of cow's milk or buffalo milk, and would it cause cough or cold or fever? There are so many questions that a new parent has in mind. This video will be an answer to all these, so please watch the video till the end. My name is Kavitha Prashanth and I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods, and I make YouTube videos as a passion because I love to share the knowledge I get from reading so many articles, and I appreciate that there are so many followers. They keep commenting and ask questions on what is this, what is that, how to do this. So today's video is completely based on curd and all that queries that I have mentioned prior. So curd is something that you can start at 6 months. Yes, you do not have to worry at all. Curd is a healthy food. It is with lot of nutrients. It is easily digestible. I'll tell one-on-one particularly later. But yes, you can start it when you are starting solids, when you start fruits, vegetables slowly, and then rice and other grains. At 6 months, maybe in the first week sometime, you can definitely try curd and there is no harm. Let's now talk about the benefits of curd. At first, it is easy to digest. The healthy bacteria in curd is very good for baby's intestines, and definitely the digestive system loves curd any day. It can help baby cope up with the issues that now it has been introduced to solids. There are so many varieties of foods that we are feeding our child now. Till now, the baby was only on breast milk, and now there are so many varieties, so many different foods that we are experimenting. And curd is something that is so cooling and so good for your child that it is a must include. And it is good for immunity. The healthy bacteria in curd fights with other harmful bacteria which can cause gut issues. Even dysentery or diarrhea can be well controlled. I mean, when your child has bloating issues or something, if it is given often, it is really going to curb those issues. And dysentery is something that where a blood is seen while the baby passes the motion. So this can be well controlled as well. Now it comes with lot of nutrients. It is rich in protein, vitamin D, calcium, we all know, as good as milk and better than milk, I would say. And it also has good amount of carbohydrates, minerals. It's a wholesome meal. I mean, sometimes when your child is not eating anything, please give curd made out of whole milk. And it also helps in improving sleep in your child. Babies who suffer with insomnia and even adults are regularly advised to be given this basic, simple yet very helpful food, curd. And yeah, on a regular basis, it can help you help to make your child sleep better. In many of our videos, I talk and recommend not to give cow's milk till a year, and even doctors recommend it these days. But why is curd allowed if not milk? So let me elaborate. Please go and check the video at first if possible, but in short, I'll tell you here. Cow's milk, goat's milk, buffalo milk is made for their babies who grow very huge in their first year of life, right? But babies take a lot of time to grow, almost a year. A calf who is of this size at birth can grow up to this at 4th month, right? And the animal require that protein, and that animal protein is found in cow's milk, buffalo milk, goat milk, whichever you are referring to. So this amount of protein is not easily digestible by babies, and it can be damaging their kidneys, and hence it is not advised. Now, when milk is converted, or the process where it gets becoming to curd or yogurt, this process breaks down that protein and minerals and makes it easy for a baby or adults to digest. It is easier for us as well, but till a year it is difficult, highly difficult for your child. So only curd, which can be given after 6 months. Okay, if you have traveled abroad or if you have a friend who talks about yogurt, you will be confused. Why all my life I was translating dahi or mosaru to curd, and now why is this yogurt? So yogurt is the right word. I'll elaborate now quickly, though, just to know the difference between curd and yogurt. What is curd? What is yogurt? Now, when you use a acidic substance like lemon or vinegar and the milk curdles up, water is separated and the solid molasses, this solid molasses called as curd, curdled up, the milk got curdled up. This is how we say, right? So that is curd, and the water is whey protein. This is one process, and the other one is converting it to yogurt. Now you boil the milk, cool it and add culture to it or the leftover curd, and then ferment it for 5 to 6 hours, and this gives you yogurt or dahi or mosaru or Indian curd, I would say. So this is the difference between curd and yogurt, and if you ask me, yogurt is the right word, but I would also take a lot of time to get used to it. Till then, curd is okay. I have listed down some common questions which would arrive on this video, and I would want to make your job easy. So when can I start curd for my baby? I have already mentioned you can treat it as a first solid. You can start it as early as 6 months. And what time is it ideal to give curd? Morning or afternoon is always better. Can I offer refrigerated curd? No. Fresh homemade curd is always good, made with whole milk. Can I give curd to my baby while she has cold? Yes, in the morning and afternoon, it's okay. Will curd cause cold? No. When given fresh in the morning or afternoon, it does not. Cough or cold is caused by bacteria and not by any food. Can I cook food with curd? No. You should never cook curd. Should we add anything to curd? Curd can be offered plain, but if you want pepper powder, cumin powder, cinnamon powder, can be added. Can we add fruits along with curd and offer to the baby? Not necessary. Let's offer fruit as a fruit and curd as curd. Not a right combination. Can my baby with lactose intolerance have curd? Yes, you can monitor first few times, but it is always good to question your doctor before you start. Can I give cow, goat, buffalo milk's curd? Anything is fine, but ensure that it is made of whole milk. Any animal milk, you can convert it into curd and offer. The benefits are great. Every curd made out of any animal milk would be different, but the taste wise it may be different, a little nutrient variation, but it is healthy. You can continue to give it. The last part, how to offer curd to baby. You can offer it plain because it also has a natural taste. Let your child enjoy it, and if needed, you can, until 1 year, no salt, sugar, jaggery. So add cumin powder, pepper powder, or some chaat masala is also okay sometimes. As a dip, you can offer with paratha, roti. Kids love to dip something and eat. That habit is very nice. So please offer it as a dip. Curd rice, very common. Curd oats khichdi, the recipe is there on our YouTube channel. Do check that. Curd can be mixed with dry dates powder. Tots and Moms has this amazing product, dry dates powder, which is rich in iron and lot of nutrients your child would get from it. So please use that. And curd with jaggery powder. There are coconut jaggery, palm jaggery, and organic normal plain jaggery available, which is made out of sugar cane. But the safest alternative to sugar, so any of it you can use. And I would recommend something that ensure that you make curd using whole milk, and whenever you prepare it at home, do not separate water. Do not take the creamiest part from top and leave the watery substance. It is actually very good when you mix it up, blend it up well, and then offer it to your child, because it has a lot of benefit. And avoid it at night as much as possible. And that's it. I have mostly included all the questions related to curd, and I'm really grateful that you watched the video till the end. I hope you found it useful. I would leave a recommendation to check 6 to 11 months baby food chart, 6-month food chart, and when to start solids. All those videos are found on our YouTube channel. Do check them, but in the description box you can find this. Check that. And another recommendation is, I'm sure you have a very young child. Now you're thinking of transition from bed, co-sleeping is better, or bed separate cot is better for a child. So all these questions are answered there. Do check that video on sleeping arrangement for babies, and please consider subscribing to this channel, because I make helpful videos for new parents, and something related to food, baby health, baby care, new mom postpartum care. And I also own organic baby food store, Tots and Moms Foods. Do check that. The link would be in description box. We sell organic porridge mixes, cereal mixes, instant mixes, cookies, everything. No chemical at all. Everything is totally natural and USDA certified. Do check that as well. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.